Hello there. Today's video is on CSS and text direction actually. So here's a page. It's got a paragraph, just one paragraph stuck inside of a div, and we're going to put a P curly braces, and we're going to do the direction property. And I'm speaking English, so it's going to be left to right by default, but that is an option. You can also do a RTL, and that moves it right to left, but it's not exactly right to left because you can still read it, from left to right. So it's not really a precise thing. So I'm going to make a new paragraph here. We'll do a P and /P and put some numbers just so you can see it more clearly. There we go. It's still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Still in left to right orientation, even though everything's moved to the right. So it's basically a text to line property, but we can borrow from HTML with the BDO tag, and if we stick a BDO tag inside the paragraph, it actually moves right to left because there's the 9 there on the left side. So you can do that with every one of your paragraphs. Stick in a BDO tag. If it's really short, you may not want to do it that way. You may just want to do the dir equals LTR. Say it's just one word. You can do it that way. Or if you have a whole page that may actually switch up, you can just include the BDO tag inside of each one of your paragraphs. It doesn't work if you stick the BDO tag outside the paragraphs. It needs to be inside the paragraphs. So make sure that whatever text you have, that text is directly is wrapped. In other words, make sure the text is inside the BDO tags rather than tags inside of the BDO tags. You need to have the text itself right next to the BDO tags. But anyway, that's it. Because whenever I put a BDO tag on this paragraph, now let's close the BDO. Save that, refresh. There we go. Now it's all backwards, and even the span winds up being backwards. But if I stick it outside, let me just show you where I ran into problems with that. If I do a /BDO, and then let's move the BDO outside of the paragraph, it doesn't like that as much. So see, still the right way around. So my tip is move your BDO tags inside your paragraph. But this has been a video on the direction RTL, and you can affect whether your text is right to left or left to right. There's also the option to inherit, so that's available as well, but the inherit doesn't get used a lot. But there's RTL for right to left and LTR for left to right. So let's refresh that. Oh, left to right, right to left. Yeah, so the first paragraph is reversed like that, but the second paragraph just moved over to the right. Alright, well there you go. That's a direction property in CSS, and hopefully you've learned something from this video and you'll get to use it in the future. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed the experience of this tutorial, why not share it with your friends?